Good morning, all of you children. Today, I am going to tell you about fraction. Okay, before going into this topic of fraction, just I would like to say only one thing. Actually, this term, the fraction, is not a new term for us. Actually, this word, this term, the fraction, we are using in our everyday life. How, suppose two children are going into the market to purchase one pizza. To purchase one pizza. How many pizzas they want to purchase? Only one pizza. So how many students or children went to the market for the pizza purpose? Only two children. They want to distribute the pizza into two equal parts. Okay, that only we will show in fraction form, that is 1 by 2. So now let us define what is fraction. Okay, fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. See, for example, 1 by 2 and 3 by 8. 1 by 2. In figurative form we can show like this. See, actually when we are drawing this is the first one, when just it's a square. This is whole 1. By 2 means, see, after that two boxes, we made two boxes and one of the boxes were shaded. Okay, so this is 1 by 2. Next, 3 by 8. Out, see here, I draw a rectangle with 8 equal parts. Okay, and after that I shaded 3 parts. That means this thing is indicating 3 by 8. Now let us know about the types of fractions. See, different fractions we have. Here we are going to discuss about 7 types of fractions. The first one is like fractions, second one unlike fractions, third one proper fractions, fourth one improper fractions, fifth one mixed fractions, sixth one unit fractions, and seventh one is equivalent fractions. See, children, observe one thing here. See, already I told about 7 fractions we have to discuss here. See, any type of fraction. See, all types of fractions have 2 parts. What are those? First one is numerator, second one is denominator. How I like to represent this one, For example, 2 by 4, it's a fraction. 2 by 4 is a fraction with numerator 2 and a denominator 4. With numerator 2 and denominator 4. Understand? And one more example is the first example and second example. Take second example here. This is the first one, and take the second one. Here 3 by 8. Here also 3 is your numerator and 8 is denominator here. Understand? Okay, now let us know about the first one, like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 9 by 2. Once observe, all these fractions here, these 4 fractions have same denominators, that is 2 everywhere. That's why all these fractions are called like fractions, because denominators are same. Next, second one, unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Let us take some examples here. 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 9 by 11, 5 by 9. Observe all these fractions denominators 5, 3, 11, 9. These are all different denominators. That's why these 4 fractions are called unlike fractions, because of different denominators. Okay, understand? Okay, now let's go for the next one. Proper fractions. If numerator is less than the denominator, then those fractions are called proper fractions. See, numerator should be less than denominator. This is the condition here. For example, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 8, 9 by 10. Here in all these examples, numerators are less than the denominators. That's why these are all proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. If a numerator is greater than the denominator, then those fractions are called improper fractions. See, this is reverse for the proper fractions. Here, numerator should be greater than the denominator. Let us take some examples here. 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5, 9 by 8. Here in all examples, you just observe numerators are bigger than the denominators. Next, go for the next one, mixed fractions. A proper fraction along with a whole number is called mixed fraction. For example, 1 and 3 by 4, 9 and 2 by 3, 5 and 7 by 9, and 3 and 1 by 8. You just observe here 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 7 by 9 and 1 by 8. These all are proper fractions. And just the side of the proper fraction we wrote whole numbers 1, 9, 5, 3. That's why each and every one is a mixed fraction. That is 1 and 3 by 4, 9 and 2 by 3, 5 and 7 by 9, and 3 and 1 by 8. They are all mixed fractions. Okay? Okay students, now let's know about the next one, unit fractions. The fractions with the numerator 1 are called unit fractions. See, let us take some examples. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. You just observe here all these examples have the numerators only 1. Okay? Now let's go for the next one, equivalent fractions. The two are more than two fractions are said to be equal if both results are the same fraction after simplification. The two are more than two fractions are said to be equal if both results are the same fraction after simplification. For example, 1 by 3 and 5 by 15. So now simplify. 5 and 15. See, both 5 and 15 are divisible by 5. That's why 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. So is equals to 1 by 3 came. So 1 by 3 means what? Or for one of the fractions here. That's why, therefore, 1 by 3 is equals to 5 by 15. That means both 1 by 5 and 5 by 15 are same. So children, I think you people understand all these types of fractions along with the examples what I told now here. You people just repeat all these things, all these types of fractions at home along with the examples with just do a proper practice on this. Okay.